Well, that sucks. We have the technology. We can make it better. Okay, so here we are. 1997 Chevy Cavalier. As you can see, that doesn't do anything. And if I zoom in a bit, you can see there's not much going on in there. There's supposed to be a plastic piece to lock up onto this guy. And so this is a piece I bought on eBay. I think it was $9, somewhere around $9. You know, not too bad. Very, very simple. Screw, screw, screw. So let me take those out. And as for taking these screws out, obviously you're going to need a screwdriver that's short enough to get in here. But another thing you can do is the glove box latch here. If you just kind of pull it back, it comes out. So it can give you, a little bit of extra inches if you need it. And that screwdriver is now just long enough. Well, just short enough, I should say. Okay, so I said screw, screw, and screw. More like screw, 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 and screw. One more. Right there. Conquered. Alright, so with those out, this whole plastic bit here just kind of pops up. And right here is the guts of the thing. So basically, it's just that screw and that screw. And as you can see here, it'll be that screw and that screw. And it should just drop right in. So, let me pop those two out. Well, I guess that just comes off anyways. Well, that whole bottom plastic door comes off anyways, so there you go. And there we have it. Alright, so here's the culprit. And by the way, this is the outer plastic door for the rest of the assembly, and it just clips in and out on these little plastic guys, so if you just kind of give it a bit of a yank, it comes right out. So here's the old one. Obviously the replacement one, you're gonna have a different color handle, but hey, accent colors and stuff. So let's see what's missing here. I have a feeling. Yup, there it is right there. Notice there's nothing going on there on the old one, but then there's that on the new one. I'm assuming this was just slammed really hard in the cold or something, so probably just broke the plastic bit off. But simple, cheap fix. So let's bolt this new one right on there. Ta-da! Look at that, eh? Notice the actuation factor. Yup, there you go. Alright, now I'm just gonna pop this back under here, put all the little clips back in, and then redo these 4 bolts. And we should have ourselves a working glove box. Alrighty. Got that panel just snap back on there, it just kind of clicks back on, sits up in there. Got all 4 screws back in, And check this shit out. Well, lottie freaking da. Look at that, huh? Look at that. Yup. And now you get the fancy black accent handle against this sort of ugly grayish color, huh? A job well done if I do say so myself. You have yourselves a good one. Thanks for watching.